Hi guys, this is your boy Wex all the way from Eminence Forex. So on today's video, I just want us to talk about mass psychology level or mass psychology, you understand? So if you're new to this channel, make sure that you do subscribe and turn on that notification bell in order for you to get notified once I upload, you understand? If you see the market pushing in a bearish market, creating us lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. This way we're gonna cater or highlight these lower highs as our value area. This is our value area. Do you understand? Excuse me. After you've done like highlighting that value area of yours, you just observe and see what the market is giving you. Okay, the market might give us a pullback, a correction, pullback, correction, pullback. Then the market start to correct in this manner. You know, when the market start to correct in this manner, that's a reversal pattern. Do you understand? Because here on our value area, you look forward for selling opportunities. To understand, so you could see that the market did break our value area. So support and resistance traders, they are going to look forward for a retest here and sell and buy the market to the upside. So that's why they get caught in the wrong side of the market most of the time. To understand. So but as we price action traders, we know that okay, here we had an impulse, then we had a correction, impulse again, correction, impulse again. Then the market started to correct in this manner, creating us an ascending channel. If you want to know about this reversal pattern, ascending channel, descending channel, just go watch my previous videos. Then we have gotten ourselves an ascending channel on this value area. To understand, so that's when we look forward for selling opportunities here, because we understand that okay, the market has created us a mass psychology already. We did erase this high here. To understand, so after a break of this pattern of this channel, you can take can put a stop loss above Nyana and aim where the market started to pull back, approaching our value area. It's here. Always take your profit where on that nearest lowest low on the current market. You understand? So it happens sometimes that the market can break without giving us that channel. Always happen that the market can break without giving that channel. Can sometimes break and create us a double top before breaking, maybe a triple top before breaking inside this structure. So if you see something like this, then you know that already you have gotten yourself a triple top outside this structure. You have gotten yourself a triple top. Then you know a triple top is a pattern on its own, and it's a reversal pattern. Since you saw that the market was pushing in a bullish market, we then now gotten ourselves a triple top. Then we know this is a reversal pattern. You're gonna be looking forward for selling opportunities. Once we break again inside this structure, then we're gonna be looking forward a correction. If you don't see maybe a correction on a higher time frame, I suggest that you can go to a smaller time frame such as 15 minutes or 5 minutes looking for those patterns. If you're gonna get a pattern, that's when you're gonna execute your trades, and always aim where on your nearest lowest low. You understand? So now let's go to the chart and do a practical example. As you can see here, the market was pushing. Then we've gotten ourselves a what? A value area here at the top. We've gotten ourselves a value area there at the top. You could understand that, okay, the market left us at a lower high, that's a value area, failed to break here and create another lower high, another high, to understand. Then at the end of the day, the market finally broke out of structure. We broke out of structure. You could see the market printed us a beautiful double top. That's a clear confirmation that, okay, anytime soon the market would just do what? Would just go to the what? To the downside. Since we know that, okay, we broke our value area as our lower high, then the market created us a what? My psychology here. Created us a what? My psychology. Trying to catch or caught people in the wrong side of the market, you understand? So when you go maybe to a smaller time frame, such as 15 minutes time frame, where's that? Okay, let's go to 30. No, I don't get. Yeah, when we get to 30 minutes time frame, it seems like it's the same time frame. This way you're gonna be taking your profits. Then here you could understand that we had this as our pattern. Market created as a expanding pattern. Then we broke that expanding pattern. Then we finally hit our take profit. Because always you aim where? At your nearest lowest low. Nearest lowest low, to understand. So now let's go and check for another example. Then while price was pushing, we then gotten us another value area there at the top. Another value area there at the top. Then you could understand on how we approach and broke this value area. We approach and broke that value area in an ascending channel. First confirmation. You could see we broke impulsive and the candlestick closed below. If you take your entry there, you aim at your nearest lowest low. These are nearest lowest low. We've gotten ourselves a value area here. We broke that value area and then gotten ourselves my psychology. That's when people caught in the wrong side of the market, then we break again in structure. So for re-entry, you could understand that the market gave us another flag or another correction for re-entries. This is what the market gave us, to understand. This is what the market gave us. So let's go and check maybe one index for more confirmations. Let's go and check one index for more confirmation. Let's go to NAS 100. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. When we jump to NAS 100, you could understand also that okay, price was pushing, and then we've gotten ourselves a mass psychology level there at the top, and see what happened. We then broke here, and we got a mass psychology level, caught people in the wrong side of the market. Caught people in the wrong side of the market, understand? We then consider a mass psychology. Then we wait for the price to break inside the structure and give us a correction. That's when we're gonna execute it. As you could see, that price break inside and then started to correct, and then we had a push to the to the downside. You always aim for your nearest lowest low. Always aim for your nearest lowest low. Do you understand? We had a mass psychology, we break in the structure, we had a correction, then we shoot all the way to the downside. When we reach here, you could understand that we had another mass psychology whereby the market did broke this level here, and market started to go to the upside. When we go to smaller time frames such as 30 minutes time frame, okay, let's go to 15 minutes time frame. You could understand that we had a downward top here, and the downward top is a reversal pattern. We all know that. So you wait for the market to break inside our structure. As you could see, we broke our structure again, and then the market did what? We had a impulse, we corrected, then we had a impulse, then we had a larger vision of a correction, then we continued to the upside. We continued to the upside to hit our take profit. This is our nearest highest high. We did hit our take profit. So this is how you can spot these mass psychology levels, just to avoid being caught in the wrong side of the market. Understand? So if you need more videos, if you need mass psychology more videos, just comment below, and if you didn't understand, also comment below. Peace out. So for a bonus video, guys, I just want to analyze VIX 75 and show you that the strategy is working in every market, and also want to show you how I caught VIX 75 sales yesterday. To understand? So I saw the price was moving in we had a impulse, then the price now started to correct. To understand? When we draw our trend lines from here until there, you could understand that on VIX 75 we're having like a strong third touch. You understand? Then we drop it to 8 hours time frame. When we drop it to 8 hours time frame, you could understand that we had a first touch, second touch, third touch, and on the third touch we're having a double top. Strong confirmation that the market is gonna do what? It's gonna drop. To understand? Let's go to 4 hours time frame. Okay, 15 minutes time frame. Now we are on a what? 15 minutes time frame. On a 15 minutes time frame, we could understand that we had this as our value area, and then the market did respect that value area with this trend line. We had something like this. Then from here, that's when I took my entries. I then jumped to 5 minutes time frame to look for my entries. When I jumped to my 5 minutes time frame, I just saw how the market approached our trend line and our value area. We then got something like this as an ascending channel. As an ascending channel. Maybe if you can go to 1 minute time frame. When the 1 minute time frame is clear, then gotten our first entry here. Then here, that's what we took our profit here, to understand. Then when we switch again to a 15 minutes time frame, we had another value area or a hook point, to understand. This one here at the top, that one at the top. Let me remove this one, and you could understand that now these are what expanding pattern. Then when we go to 5 minutes time frame again, you could understand that we had a re-entry, but I couldn't take that entry. But remember, first time we took our first entry here, then the market repeated the same thing where here the market repeated the same thing here at the top, to understand. First entry was here, second entry was here. For my people like I'm Peso. The squad pair strap, let me give you a memo. Give me that money or I'll pop it on you. Shoot without getting angry. So my overall take profit was here on the nearest. Okay, the nearest lower high is this one. Since we broke this lower low, then we aim for this one there, to understand. We aim that one. So this is how you can like analyze VIX 75. It's a simple pair. VIX 75 is a simple pair. So yeah, the strategy is working everywhere, man. The strategy is working everywhere. Make sure that you do subscribe, you turn on that notification bell in order for you to get notified once I upload. Peace out.